Omana Clifftop Park, the dream, the reality. We escaped the city traffic for a quick getaway to the coast. But you can't go camping empty-handed. Well, $130 of groceries later, ouch. We're on the home stretch now. Omana Clifftop Camping Ground, about 60 minutes from the Auckland CBD. Roll on summer. Well, the forecast says clearing showers, but it looks pretty grim at the moment. While I waited for a break in the weather, I checked out the facilities. For $18 a night, you get fresh drinking water, vault toilets, free gas barbecues, and cold water showers. And there's dishwashing facilities as well. Really, in Auckland, that's really economical. Well, finally, the rain's eased a bit. Time to stretch the legs. The perimeter walk starts down the mangroves. It's a completely different world down here compared to the cliffs above. And the boardwalks keep you out of the mud. The track climbs up to the ridgeline. You're actually walking on history here. This is the old Manatawere Pā site. Looking out at the Hauraki Gulf, you can see exactly why they chose this spot. This is a perfect vantage point. Well, 7k's later, I'm back at Itsy Mitsy after taking every side track, sometimes even intentionally. I've earned a feed, so on with the Hoki fillets, a couple of eggs. Simple food always tastes better in the van. simple good food and hot coffee. Cut pie. Well, the sun finally decided to show up just as we were finishing our walk. A bit of rain, a bit of history, great coffee. We'll be back. Ka kite whānau.